bitch is quick, dog.
We blew something.
We blew some?
I think the turbo fucking blew for a second. I think that we lost the charge pipe.
Say that again.
Fuck the YouTubers that say this shit's easy. It's not easy. We've been at this for like an hour and a half just trying to get this stupid shit out.
You're just yanking it. So many other ideas have came about it. Just that.
Honestly, you know, strong back, weak mind energy right here. That's all it is.
Excuse me, Timmy.
Someone's gonna watch this and be like, "Oh yeah, just take all 4 of those things out and you'll be good." Really? I say we just pull the fucking motor. Okay, one last option. Take his saws off. Trim the fucking top.
No, you thought we were gonna get this up.
The guys on YouTube said just turn it sideways and fucking pull, dude.
Yeah, somebody shimmy did. Fucking.
Hold on, Adrian. Damn near broke that.
So we're trying to just rotate it this way. And then if we pull out this way, it should fit.
What time did we start on this?
Like 6:30. Should fit.
I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna fit because
I, oh.
how am I supposed
This thing has been an absolute royal pain in the ass.
Someone doesn't watch the whole YouTube video. Pull the whole thing out.
I mean, I felt like we were 5 minutes away for like 45 fucking minutes now.
And you're still not looking at it. It's alright, I'll just keep doing this.
Can we take this thing off, you think?
It's up to you.
I think you should pull harder.
I think if we take this thing off, it'll give me enough clearance. So I can inch it this way if we can take these two off.
Take it off.
No, I don't.
I don't know either, dude. I don't know what I was doing taking the turbo apart.
Fucked it all up,
I was
dude.
taking everything randomly apart.
Oh, it looks like it's connected. I'm full on it. German engineering at its fucking finest.
Well, we had the right torch, but...
Alrighty, so we're calling it quits for tonight. Everything went super smoothly all the way up to the end. All the parts came out super easy. Took minimal effort. Then when it came to taking the actual turbo out, everything disconnected. Turbo refused to come out. And unfortunately we don't have the right tools to finish taking some more bits off the top of the motor to help squeeze her out. So that'll be the plan for tomorrow. Just squeeze all that out. We were cracking at the turbo for 2 hours trying to get it out. Is about the legitimate timeline. So tomorrow we're going to be taking the turbo out, putting the new one in, reinstalling everything, install the tune, and she'll be road ready.
So basically what had happened is we thought we were so close. But if you look, you got these ignition coils right up here. And then you look into the turbo and there's a couple of these like hex bolts that we couldn't get out because we don't have the proper tool. But if we could just pull these bolts out, then we wouldn't be getting caught up on this fucking turbo anymore. But the whole thing is that Germans thought that, oh, let's stick this turbo all the way in the fucking back where you can't get it out for nothing. So we got stuck, you know, because we didn't have the right tools. And this is the first time that me and my boy have ever pulled out a turbo on anything. I'm an NA guy, so this is all a learning curve to me. But I think we're finally getting it. We should be able to have it road ready for at least Woodward on Saturday. If not, I mean, there's still some time. We'll figure it out, though. But until next time, we'll see you. Up here, so
that's the fun part. 180. You guys ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh my god.
anything on. It's just the car's not building boost right now, so I'm not sure.